Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping the easy, high-impact sources. Turn off app banners in system settings, right arrow notifications so they can no longer interrupt you. Next, open general right arrow login items and remove anything you did not add. This prevents apps from relaunching at boot. Then, check your browser. Disable site pop-ups, clear cookies, and remove any unknown extensions. This cuts off the common in-browser pop-ups. Doing these 3 steps first reduces most nuisance pop-ups immediately and sets you up for deeper cleanup. Once the visible sources are handled, dig into background launchers. Inspect /library/launch agents, /library/launch daemons, and /library/launch agents for unfamiliar. List files and move them to quarantine, reboot after removal. Next, check privacy and security right arrow profiles and delete any profiles you don't recognize since they can force settings and pop-ups. Then run a full malware scan with a trusted tool, remove any flagged items, and make sure the scanner's quarantine is emptied. These steps stop hidden processes that recreate pop-ups. Finish by tightening system defenses. Enable the firewall and restrict incoming connections for apps you don't trust. Create a new user account to see if pop-ups persist there. If they disappear, the problem is in your original user profile, and you can migrate data selectively. If pop-ups still occur, boot into safe mode to stop third-party software, and if needed, use recovery to reinstall Mac OS without erasing data. Troubleshooting tip: if reinstalling, back up with Time Machine first so you can restore cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.